Thank you all of you to watching Sue and Gumbo. I'm going to show you the black pepper chicken today. I have 14 ounces of chicken, the white meat chicken. I had 4 ounces of celery, 2 ounces of red pepper, and 1 ounce of onion. Then that for the chicken, I put 1 teaspoon of oil in it, and 1 teaspoon of ginger sauce, the ginger sauce juice, and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, then I mix. Okay, for the sauce, I'm using 1/4 cup of just plain water, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Put all the sauce in it first. And 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and half teaspoon of garlic in it, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and half teaspoon of chili, 1 teaspoon of the ginger juice, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then you mix well. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of just plain water in it, and mix well. Okay, I'm going to set it on the side. I'm going to stir fry the chicken first and turn on the wok hot. Put about 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Stir around a little bit. Okay, let them pan fry a little bit. The chicken, they are thick pieces, so I need to cook a little bit longer, make sure they cook well. It's pretty nice right now, nice and brown. Okay, then I'm going to remove the chicken. And I still need a little bit more oil in it. Then I put the onion in it first. Then I put the celery in it. The pepper. Then I put the chicken right back in again. Put a bit salt in it. Want to cover for a second, about 2 seconds. And I put all the sauce in it now. Then I put the cornstarch with water in it. It looks good. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, this is all done. Enjoy my black pepper chicken and enjoy the nice weather outside. Looks good.